Good evening and welcome to USA Weather Alert. Tonight and through tomorrow, weather conditions across the United States are expected to remain highly active. Several regions will face the threat of severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, large hail, heavy rainfall, and even isolated tornadoes. At the same time, summer heat and humidity will continue to build across parts of the east and south. Let's begin with tonight's weather situation. Across portions of the northern and central plains, thunderstorms are expected to develop and strengthen through the evening and overnight hours. States including North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, and parts of Minnesota could experience strong storms capable of producing damaging wind gusts and intense lightning. Some of the strongest storms tonight may bring wind gusts exceeding 60 miles per hour, creating hazardous travel conditions and the potential for scattered power outages. Large hail may also accompany the strongest storms. Meanwhile, across portions of Iowa, Wisconsin, and surrounding areas, scattered thunderstorms could continue into the overnight hours. Heavy rainfall may cause localized flooding in low-lying and poor drainage locations. Farther south, Texas and Oklahoma will remain warm and humid overnight. While many communities may stay dry, isolated thunderstorms cannot be ruled out, especially during the late evening hours. Along the Gulf Coast, including Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and parts of Florida, warm and muggy conditions will persist through the night with a chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms. Now let's look ahead to tomorrow's weather. Tomorrow morning, many areas across the Midwest will begin the day with partly cloudy skies and increasing humidity. As temperatures rise through the afternoon, atmospheric conditions are expected to become favorable for another round of strong to severe thunderstorms. Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, and portions of Missouri may experience severe weather during the afternoon and evening hours. Damaging winds, large hail, frequent lightning, and isolated tornadoes will be possible in the strongest storms. Residents in these areas should closely monitor weather conditions throughout the day and be prepared for rapidly changing forecasts. Across the Northeast, including New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New England, temperatures will continue climbing. Warm and humid conditions are expected throughout the day, with some locations approaching summer-like heat levels. The Mid-Atlantic region, including Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, will also experience hot and humid conditions. Heat index values may feel significantly warmer than actual temperatures during the afternoon. In the southeast, including Georgia, Florida, and the Carolinas, scattered afternoon thunderstorms are expected to develop as daytime heating combines with abundant moisture. Some storms could produce heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. Across Texas, temperatures will remain hot, with many locations reaching the upper 80s and 90s. Isolated afternoon thunderstorms may develop, but much of the state is expected to remain very warm and humid. Turning to the western United States, California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, and much of the Southwest will generally experience quieter weather conditions. Most areas will remain dry with warm temperatures and plenty of sunshine. Mountain regions of Colorado and Wyoming may see isolated afternoon thunderstorms, especially during the late afternoon and evening hours. As we move into tomorrow night, another round of thunderstorms could redevelop across parts of the plains and Midwest, continuing the threat of severe weather into the overnight period. In summary, tonight brings severe storm threats across parts of the plains and upper Midwest, while tomorrow will feature another active day of thunderstorms, possible tornadoes, heavy rainfall, and increasing heat across the eastern half of the country. Stay weather aware, keep emergency alerts enabled on your devices, and continue monitoring local conditions throughout the next 24 hours. Thank you for watching USA Weather Alert.